Diksha Coaching and Commerce classes. Welcome again to English lecture, and today we are going to do 1.3. The lesson is based on a person, Arjun Singh, who has dedicated his life in Indian history. This is a lesson based on a brief biography. It's about on his life, how he has spent his life, what he has done to our country. Biography of Air Force Marshal Singh, an icon of India's military history and a war hero. So let us start with our lesson 1.3 on the wings of courage. How he has dedicated his life with very courageously. We can see, but he is no more, but we can just inspire. This is an inspiration lesson. Page number 15, 1.3 on wings of courage. This is a biography of Arjun Singh. Let us start with 1.3. We have completed 1.1 poem, then we have done 1.2 a lesson, and now we are doing 1.3. Page number 15. Air Force Marshal Singh, Marshal Arjun Singh. Now in this lesson there will be a fact file. So you have to study a fact file on this lesson, and whatever I mark, you just underline the lesson, the lines whichever I am marking. Air Force Marshal Arjun Singh, an icon of India's military history, will always be remembered as a war hero who had successfully led a young Indian Air Force, RAF is Indian Air Force, during the 1965 Indo-Pak War. Now he will always be remembered as an icon. Icon means a person who is revered, a person who will inspire us every centuries. We cannot forget his contribution for the country. The only officer to attain the highest post of marshal. He was the person who had the ranks and ranks. He was in the highest rank of marshal. An Air Force equivalent to the Army's 5-star Field Marshal. 5-star, you must have seen the stars, what they get it for their work, उनके काम के लिए, उनके कंट्रीब्यूशन के लिए. और ये काम बहुत ही बहादुरी का काम होता है, अपने कंट्री के लिए अपनी लाइफ देना, अपने कंट्री को किस तरीके से एनिमी से बचाना, वॉर के टाइम एयरक्राफ्ट यूज करना, ये बहुत पहले की कहानी है. बट वट एवर ही हैड डन टू द कंट्री वी कैन नॉट फॉरगेट इट. तो ये बहुत ही इंस्पायरिंग लेसन है. सो ही वॉज द पर्सन हु हैड द रैंक. वो ये एक ही पर्सन थे जिनको बहुत ही हाई रैंक पे मार्शल का एक फील्ड, मतलब एक प्रेज मिला था, एक रैंक मिला था, एक पोजीशन मिला था, एक स्टेटस मिला था. Singh was a fearless and exceptional pilot. Underline this. He was a fearless मतलब निडर होना. बहुत ही बहादुरी से उन्होंने जो भी एयरक्राफ्ट उड़ाए हैं, जो भी आर्मी में जो भी उनको काम दिया गया है, he used to have in a teamwork, but he used to lead. He had a leadership quality. He was a fearless, निडर होके वो अपना काम करते थे. And exceptional pilot means outstanding. बहुत ही बेटर से भी जो अपने हद से ज़्यादा अपना अच्छा परफेक्शन देना, अपना परफॉर्मेंस देना, बहुत ही दिलो जान से अपनी लाइफ को ये अपनी लाइफ के बारे में नहीं सोचना, बस अपनी कंट्री को बचाने के बारे में सोचना. सो ही वॉज अ पर्सन, ही वॉज फियरलेस एंड एन एक्सेप्शनल इज आउटस्टैंडिंग, अनयूजुअल गुड, बहुत ही बहादुर, बहुत ही बेहतरीन पर्सन इन हिज वर्क. Underline this. Singh was a fearless and exceptional pilot who had flown more than 60 different types of aircraft. और ये एक ही पर्सन थे जिन्होंने 60 से भी ज़्यादा अलग अलग टाइप के एयरक्राफ्ट जो है वो उन्होंने एयर में उड़ाए थे. He had been a good pilot, and at that time if you see 60 different types means he was really extraordinary. So this was the person, Arjun Singh. He had done very well in his life, and whatever he has contributed was exceptionally good. He played a major role in transforming the IAF, Indian Air Force, into one of the most potent air forces. Potent means powerful and effective. बहुत ही powerful और बहुत ही effective, मतलब बहुत ही उसका नतीजा रिजल्ट बहुत अच्छा देना काम का. Globally and the 4th biggest in the world. उनका बहुत ही दुनिया में उनका जो काम था अगर कंपैरिजन किया जाएगा तो ही वॉज फॉर इंडिया ही वॉज वन ऑफ द बेस्ट पर्सन. His contribution to the Indian Air Force is monumental to the least. Monumental मतलब great importance, enormous, बहुत ही huge contribution. बस अपना इतने ही लाइफ में नहीं है, उन्होंने अपने मरते दम तक, मरने तक उन्होंने अपने कंट्री के लिए, हमारी कंट्री के लिए उन्होंने सर्व किया है. The IAF grew with him. IAF grew with him means he used to grow that. He used to grow the Air Force. उन्होंने हर वक्त बेटर दिया, बेटर ट्रेनिंग दिया, लीडरशिप क्वालिटी थी उनमें और इसी तरीके से हमारा एयरफोर्स भी अच्छा बढ़ते जा रहा था बिकॉज ऑफ हिम. He was the epitome of military. Underline the epitome. Epitome means a perfect and ideal, a perfect example for the work what he has done, how he has contributed his life. We have seen now military people how they contribute their life, and this person was an exceptional. Epitome means a perfect example. He was the epitome of military leadership in classical sense, and it is therefore not surprising that he was honored with the rank of Air Force Marshal, and he was honored with the Air Force Marshal. उनको बहुत ही बड़ा उम्दा, बहुत ही बड़ा पोजीशन उनको मिल गया था इस फील्ड में. Vice Chief of IAF Kapil Tat said, Singh was honored with the rank of Marshal on the Republic Day in 2002. Underline this. He was awarded on this day. Sam Harmusji, Ramji, Jamshedji Menshaw and K.M. Karippa were the only two army generals honored with the rank of Field Marshal. ये दो पर्सन होने के बाद this person was the only person who had been ranked. कंट्री इसी तरीके से किसी को अवार्ड नहीं देती, ऑनर नहीं करती जब उसका काम बहुत ही सबसे बेस्ट होता है, सबसे बेहतरीन होता है, सबसे एक्सेप्शनल होता है, सबसे आउटस्टैंडिंग होता है, बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल वर्क अपना कंट्रीब्यूशन जो दिया जाता है तभी जाके इसको ऑनर करते हैं. अर्जन सिंह वाज वन ऑफ द बेस्ट आइकन हु वाज ऑनर्ड विद दिस. Known as a man of few words, Singh was not only fearless pilot but also had profound knowledge. Underline this. But also, not only but also grammar का sentence आएगा. Known as a man of few words. इनको बहुत ज़्यादा तारीफ की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ती थी. He had done his best और बहुत few words में इनकी praise की जाती थी. He was not only fearless pilot. He was निडर होके वो अपनी उड़ान उड़ाते थे. He also had a profound knowledge about his air power and applied it in a wide spectrum of areas. उनके पास बहुत ही बेहतर knowledge था, उनके पास बहुत ही अच्छा knowledge था ये aircraft के बारे में. So he used to do his very best. He got this work in this field and he used to do it very best. Very best मतलब very outstanding work he used to do. Singh had assiduously led the IAF during the 1965 war and denied success to Pakistani Air Force through it was better equipped with American support. His most outstanding contribution was during that war, said. Now, assiduously means working hard and showing careful attention to details. मतलब जब when he used to take the leadership Air Force का तो ही यूज्ड टू सी एवरी डिटेल, हर एक छोटी छोटी डिटेल वो इतना बेहतरीन से करते थे कि ही नेवर वांटेड टू मेक एनी मिस्टेक और उनके काम में कभी भी मिस्टेक्स नहीं आते थे. सो ही वाज वन ऑफ द बेस्ट आउटस्टैंडिंग पर्सन एज अ एयर मार्शल. Commanding his role in the war. Commanding means the praises. By praising, people were praising his work. By praising, the person says, Y.B. Chavan, the then defense minister, had written, Air Marshal Arjun Singh is a jewel of a person. Underline this. Jewel of a person is like we say ना कि ये एक हीरा है और वो इतने लोगों में से वो एक हीरे के जैसे थे जो बहुत ही ज़्यादा शाइन हुए थे with his work. बहुत ही आउटस्टैंडिंग वर्क, बहुत ही ब्रॉड नॉलेज और बहुत ही बेहतरीन काम, सबसे बेस्ट काम वो अपने हर एक जो काम उनको दिया जाता था, whatever the work, whatever the challenge he used to get, he used to do it in a very beautiful way, very exceptional, very outstanding way. So that's why he is called as a jewel of a person. किसी हर एक पर्सन को, कॉमन पर्सन को इसलिए बोला नहीं जाता. इट कैन बी सेड ओनली टू दैट पर्सन हु इज वेरी यूनिक. यूनिक मीन्स एकदम अलग, सबसे अलग जो पर्सन होता है, अपने काम करने का तरीका जो होता है, किस तरीके से अपने आप को डिवोट करना वो काम में, निडर होके, और उसको ये यकीन रहना कि आई एम गिविंग द बेस्ट, नथिंग रॉन्ग शुड गो. तो दिस वाज द पर्सन, सो दैट्स व्हाई ही इज कॉल्ड द ज्वेल ऑफ ए पर्सन. क्वाइट एफिशिएंट, बहुत ही काबिल, we say that कि बहुत ही काबिल. He was very efficient and firm, unexcitably but a very able leader. बहुत simple person but he was an able leader. Able leader means he had a leadership quality. He was fearless. He was very efficient. He was outstanding. He was an icon. He was doing his work very outstanding. So he is been called as a jewel, and he was an able leader. That means he had the quality of the leadership. उनके हाथ में वो इतनी leadership की quality थी कि वो पूरे एयरफोर्स को अपने दम पे वो उड़ा सकते थे, कोई भी वॉर को चैलेंज कर सकते थे, और उन्होंने जीत भी दिलाई अपने कंट्री को. In 1944, the Marshal had led a squadron against the Japanese during the Arakan campaign. Japanese के against भी उन्होंने वॉर किया था. Flying close air support missions during the crucial Impal campaign and later assisted the advance of the Allied forces to Yangon, former Rangoon. Now he has done the work very efficiently, and he continued his work, and he was very at that time he was at very young age. In recognition, page number 16, continuation. In recognition of his feat, he was awarded Distinguished Flying Cross on the spot by the Supreme Allied Commander of Southeast Asia. Underline this. He was awarded DFC, the first Indian pilot to have received it. He was the only person of India who had received this Flying Cross award. Let me see how exceptional he was, how good he was, how perfect he was. Singh was selected for the Empire pilot training courses at Royal Air Force. He was also hired as a trainer to train the Air Force at the Royal Air Force, and he was given the rank. Every time his rank used to increase. Trained well in 1938 when he was 19 years old, very young age. When he was at 19 years old, he got this award, and he was selected as pilot training course in Royal. He retired from service in 1969. Then he got retired from this service. Now this is the paragraph which I am going to read, and from here you can get the fact file questions and answers. Singh was born on April 15, 1919 in Lailpur, now Faisalabad, Pakistan, and completed his education at Montgomery, now Sahiwal, Pakistan. His first assignment on Wing Commission was to fly Westland Wapiti biplanes in the Northwestern Frontier Province as a member of the No. 1 RAF Squadron. Now he was born on April 15 in Faisalabad, Pakistan, and his first assignment, the first work he had done was to fly Westland Wapiti biplanes. Biplanes means old type of aircraft having two pairs of wings on one over the other. एक के ऊपर एक, ये बहुत पुराने तरीके का टाइम का एयरक्राफ्ट था, और वो उनका पहला असाइनमेंट था वो फ्लाई करने का. After a brief stint मतलब short period of time. Short period of time, the work which he have done, it was a short period of time. With the newly formed No. 2 RAF Squadron, where the Marshal flew against the tribal forces, he later moved back to No. 1 Squadron as a flying officer to fly the Hawker Hurricane. He was promoted to the rank of squadron leader in 1944. Just underline these lines, you will get all these questions in a fact file. For his role in successfully leading the squadron in combat, he was awarded the Distinguished Flying Cross in 1944. He was awarded, every time he used to get the award for his work. So now also he got the award. Underline this. On August 15, 1947, Independence Day, he achieved the unique honor. Unique means completely different honor for his work of leading a flight passed of over 100 IAF aircraft over the RAD 14 Delhi. A fly past, इसका meaning है a ceremonial flight of the aircraft passing over a place. You must have seen on this Republic Days and all how the floats are being done, how they fly together the aircrafts and all. तो ये ceremony के time पे भी उन्होंने aircraft fly किया था और उस वक्त भी उनको एक नया honor दिया गया था. His work was very exceptional. After his promotion to the rank of wing commander, फिर उनका rank बढ़ते गया. He got the positions higher and higher, and he became the wing commander. He attended the Royal Staff College at the UK. Immediately after Indian independence, he commanded Ambala in the rank of group captain. In 1949, he was promoted to the rank of air commodore and took over an air officer commanding AOC of an operational command, which later came to be known as Western Air Command. फिर उनका rank high हुआ and he became a wing commander for his work. And again, every time whenever he got his assignment and whenever did his best, he was just ranked. उनकी एक खासियत थी कि जो भी उनको काम दिया जाता था, whatever assignment he used to get, उससे बढ़ के वो करते थे. जो काम इतना दिया वो आगे का भी काम वो इसमें इंक्लूड कर देते थे. तो उनका नॉलेज भी वास्ट था, उनका काम भी सबसे बेस्ट होता था. एंड दैट्स व्हाई ही वाज गिवन अ यूनिक ऑनर every time he was awarded. So that means he is not a ordinary person, he is an extraordinary person. Towards the end of the 1962 war, he was appointed as the deputy chief of the air staff and he became the vice chief of the air staff in 1963. यहाँ पर भी उनका जब भी वॉर था, वॉर में जब उन्होंने अपने चैलेंजेस बहुत अच्छी तरह से एक्सेप्ट किए and he got the victories to the country, तो वहाँ पे भी उनका रैंक बढ़ गया and he became the vice chief of air staff. He was the overall commander of the joint air training exercise Shiksha held between IAF, RAF, that is Royal Air Force, and RAAF, Royal Australian Air Force. इसमें से भी उनको ऑनर किया गया and that means really very good work and just putting his head and his heart and his efforts, everything in one assignment. पूरा अपने दिलो जान से, पूरे अपने हार्ट से, अपने दिल से पूरा काम में वो कंट्रीब्यूशन करना. That is why ये रिजल्ट उनको मिला था. तो उनका काम करने का तरीका, जो चैलेंजेस एक्सेप्ट करने का तरीका was really exceptional, mind blowing. Page number 17. On August 1st, 1964, in the rank of Air Marshal, the Marshal of the Air Force, Arjan Singh, took over reins. Took over reins means took over control. As the ranks goes high, the responsibility also goes high, and he took the command of Air Marshal, the Air Marshal of Air Force. He got that command, he got that position, and he took reins. Took reins मतलब पूरा control में लेना, पूरा control उनके हाथ में रहना. Of IF at a time when it was still rebuilding itself and was gearing up. Gearing up is to get ready. He was getting ready to accept all challenges, to meet new challenges. बहुत ही ऐसा नहीं है कि रैंक हाई होता है तो इनकी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज भी बढ़ जाती है एंड दिस रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज आर टुवर्ड्स द कंट्री. हमारे कंट्री के लिए होता है और दिस ही हैज द मेन थिंग इज दैट दे हैव टू कम आउट विद द विक्ट्री. और विक्ट्री कैसे होती है? इट्स नॉट ओनली बाय फाइटिंग और समथिंग टेक्निक्स, बट ये हार्टली एंड माइंडली, ये दिमागी तौर से भी इसको एक नॉलेज के तरीके से भी इसको यूज किया जाता है. हाउ ही हैज टू बी अचीव. तो ये बात उनमें अर्जन सिंह में थी. तो ही हैड मेट द वेरी बेस्ट चैलेंजेस, वेरी वेरी critical challenges also. Singh was the first air chief to keep his flying currency till his CS rank. Now, he was only person. Flying currency means up-to-date skills and experience of flying aircraft. Up-to-date skills मतलब technology type. Like आज किस तरीके से हो रहा है, तो अप टू डेट रहना कि क्या होगा, किस तरीके से चैलेंज को एक्सेप्ट किया जाएगा, किस तरीके से अपना असाइनमेंट कंप्लीट होगा, एंड हाउ इट विल बी लाइक पावरफुली इफेक्टिव, किस तरीके से उसका बेस्ट रिजल्ट मिलेगा। और ये ही वाज द ओनली पर्सन हु यूज्ड टू कीप अप टू डेट। वो एक पर्सन थे जो अपना दिमाग और पूरा काम की तरफ लगाए रखते थे, और किस तरीके से उनका मेन एम होता था कि अपने कंट्री को किस तरीके से वो हमेशा दुश्मनों से बचाए रखे। Having flown over 60 different types of aircraft, 60 types के aircrafts उन्होंने fly किए थे। That means see how experienced this person was. From pre-World War II era biplanes to the more contemporary gnats and vampires. पुराने बाइप्लेन्स एकदम पुराना तरीके से लेके वो न्यू कंटेम्पररी रिसेंटली वो न्यू एयरक्राफ्ट तक उन्होंने फ्लाई किए थे। दैट मीन्स ही हैड द वास्ट नॉलेज। He was also flown in transport aircraft like the Super Constellation. In 1965, when Pakistan launched its Operation Grand Slam with an armored thrust targeted at the vital town of Akhnur, Singh led IAF to the war with courage, underline courage, बहुत ही हिम्मत से, determination, focus, firm determination and professional skills. Professional skills are the work skills. उनका काम का जो skills, techniques जो होते हैं, जो skills होते हैं, वो किस तरीके से उन्होंने use किए थे उस वक्त। He inspired IAF to victory, और उन्होंने जीत दिलाई थी पाकिस्तान के अगेंस्ट। जब वोट किया था तभी उन्होंने अपने कंट्री को जीत दिलाई थी, और वो जीत किस वजह से थी? बिकॉज ऑफ हिज करेज। वो अपने टीम वर्क में काम करते थे, और हर टीम वर्क से उन्होंने मतलब अपनी लीडरशिप क्वालिटी दिखाई थी, और उसकी वजह से अपना करेज, अपनी हिम्मत, अपना डिटर्मिनेशन, अपना फोकस की क्या होना चाहिए, क्या अचीवमेंट होना चाहिए, और उनके प्रोफेशनल स्किल्स, ये तीनों चीज़ों को मिला के उन्होंने अपने कंट्री को विक्ट्री दिलाई थी, अपने कंट्री को जीत दिलाई थी। Despite the constraints imposed on the full-scale use of Air Force combat power, बहुत सारे restrictions थे। Restriction मतलब barricades कि हाँ ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए, ऐसे नहीं करना चाहिए, but still he did not mind. He kept his focus, his determination, his courage, and his professional skills up to date, and he acquired victory to our country. Then now please underline this line. Singh was awarded Padma Vibhushan for his astute leadership of the Air Force during the war. इस काम के लिए जीत दिलाई थी उन्होंने अपनी कंट्री को, और उनको अवार्ड किया गया, पद्मा विभूषण अवार्ड दिया गया फॉर हिज एस्ट्यूट मतलब इंटेलिजेंस। इस तरीके से उन्होंने अपना इंटेलिजेंस दिखाया है। सिंह वाज अवार्डेड पद्म विभूषण फॉर हिज एस्ट्यूट लीडरशिप ऑफ द एयर फोर्स ड्यूरिंग द वॉर। नाउ ही वाज अवार्डेड विद पद्म विभूषण for his astute means उसकी intelligence, for his intelligence. The work was very intelligently done. तो उनकी intelligence की वजह से, उनकी brilliance की वजह से उनको award मिला था। Subsequently, in recognition of the Air Force contribution during the war, the rank of the CAS, Chief of Air Staff, was upgraded, and Arjun Singh became the first Air Chief Marshal of the Indian Air Force. And at that time he was awarded, and he became the person. Arjun Singh became the first Air Chief Marshal of Indian Air Force. Very, very nice. And he achieved it only on the basis of his contribution, of his hard work, of his determination, and his professional skills. He remained a flyer to the end of his tenure. Tenure मतलब work का duration, the time of the duration, whatever years he had spent. IAF visiting forward bases. Forward bases मतलब a secured forward operating military position. मिलिट्री को किस तरीके से उन्होंने हैंडल किया था, किस तरीके से अपने लीडरशिप से उसको लीड करते थे, कैसे गाइड करते थे, और ये बहुत ही अच्छे से उन्होंने अपनी ड्यूटी वो निभा रहे थे, अपनी जिम्मेदारी वो निभा रहे थे। He always loved his work. And units in flying with the squadrons. He retired in August 1969. फिर वो इस टेन्योर से रिटायरमेंट हुआ उनका 1969 में। Thereupon accepting ambassadorship to Switzerland. फिर स्विट्जरलैंड में एज एम्बेसडर काम किए। He was Lieutenant Governor of India from December 1989 to December 1990. Underline this full paragraph. It will the question will ask in the fact file. Fact file means उनके बारे में, it's a biography और उनके बारे में ये सब चीजें पूछी जाएंगी, names, its occupation, its awards and all. So you have to find out the answer from the passage and you have to fill those blanks. Having been a source of inspiration to all the personnel of armed forces through the years, the government conferred the rank of Marshal of the Air Force upon Arjun Singh in January 2002. Now, he was an inspiration to all. वो एक example बन गए थे सबको अपने काम करने के तरीके से, how what the achievement he has done, and government has conferred the rank of marshal. उनको एक marshal का एक rank मिला था, एक position मिला था, making him the first, सबसे पहले person, first and the only 5-star rank. You must have seen they get the ranks with the stars. Making him the first and the only 5-star rank officer with Indian Air Force. And he was the only person, the government who had ranked him and who had honored him with this honor, with only person with 5-star rank. Let us see Arjun Singh. We have to salute him for the contribution he has given for our country. So in this way, we have completed his biography. You please do the activity. The question will be asked on the fact file. There will be a fact file, and whatever the biography, whatever when he was born, what he had achieved, these questions will be asked. So read the lesson twice. Little bit the words are a little bit difficult. Whichever I have marked, you make frame sentences on those words and just read the lesson. You will get it. Okay. I hope you understand the lesson. Keep well. Keep safe. Thank you so much. Now, Arjun Singh had some qualities, leadership qualities. Air Force Marshal Arjun Singh successfully led the IAF during the 1965 Indo-Pak War. He played a major role in making the IAF one of the most powerful air forces in the world. He was not only a fearless and exceptional pilot, but he was also a deep knowledge of air power, which he applied where necessary. He was the perfect example of military leadership. It is for these reasons that he is considered as an outstanding military personality. He was an exceptional, outstanding personality.